Hello guys, my name is Colin and this is Colin Talks Crypto. You may be aware that Warren Buffett absolutely despises Bitcoin, and he's famous for saying that it is rat poison squared. Well, Bitcoin just surpassed Berkshire Hathaway's market cap. And we're going to take a look at what the Bitcoin price needs to be in order to pass various assets such as Tesla, Facebook, Google, silver, Amazon, Apple, and gold itself. Thank you for joining me. So I guess Warren Buffett's probably not too happy about this meme that I threw together. Bitcoin surpasses Berkshire Hathaway market cap. And you can see that Bitcoin has $639 billion in market cap. Berkshire Hathaway has 543. So maybe he wants to retract his statement that Bitcoin is rat poison squared. Or actually another way to look at it is maybe Bitcoin is rat poison squared and Bitcoin is killing all the rats. So I guess we have to ask Warren if he wants to be a rat or not. Now there's this great site. This is companiesmarketcap.com, and you can see where all these assets, including gold and silver and Bitcoin, all relate to each other. And let's take a look. You can see Bitcoin highlighted in pink there, 12th place among all assets globally. And you can see that gold is first place with about $12.3 trillion market cap. Silver is at $1.5 trillion, and Bitcoin is just under $600 billion. You can see Apple is a distant second place at $2.2 trillion. So it is going to take a bit of work to overcome gold's throne as far as a number one asset globally. But I don't think it's really that far-fetched. And what I'd like to do is actually take a moment and compare the current Bitcoin price of approximately $34,000 and take a look at what the Bitcoin price would need to be in order to pass some of these top assets. So for Tesla, with a market cap currently of $668 billion, the price of Bitcoin needed in order to beat Tesla's market cap is a mere $36,100. So we're just around the corner from beating Tesla's market cap. And I think that that will make headlines when it happens because Tesla has been on a tear in the past few months as well. So for Bitcoin to outperform it would be headline news making. Now for Facebook, with a $778 billion market cap, Bitcoin's price would need to be $42,000 per Bitcoin in order to match or beat that market cap of Facebook. A very realistic thing to do. I think that we're going to see a Bitcoin price of well over $100,000 this bull run. So piece of cake to top Facebook. Google's market cap is $1.1 trillion. We would need a $64,000 Bitcoin in order to top Google's market cap. Again, I think that's a piece of cake. For silver, the entire asset class of silver, $1.4 trillion. We would need $78,000 per Bitcoin in order to beat the market cap of silver. Again, I see that happening. Amazon has a $1.6 trillion market cap. We would need $88,200 per Bitcoin in order to beat the market cap of Amazon. Apple has a $2.2 trillion market cap, and we would need $121,000 Bitcoin in order to beat Apple. Now that one's a little more challenging, but honestly, I see that happening this bull run. Now let's take a look at the kingpin here, the comparison that people often make to Bitcoin. Gold itself. $12 trillion, and that depends on which metrics you're looking at. But we'll assume that 12 trillion is correct. I think that's actually on the high side. But either way, you would need a $652,000 Bitcoin, $652,000 per Bitcoin in order to exceed the market cap of gold at $12 trillion. Obviously, at that point, we would have a Bitcoin market cap of $12 trillion. So I just thought it was fun to put this in perspective to see what are the targets that we need to hit as far as the Bitcoin price targets in order to surpass these legacy assets that everyone knows about. And you can be guaranteed that when we do surpass these market caps, the news will cover this tremendously and it will headline and it will just pump the price further, draw in more and more people as the hype spreads more and more. And that is the nature of the irrational exuberance exhibited by the Bitcoin bull runs or any asset class that is in a parabolic move. Like it or not, that is the nature of a parabolic move. And I wanted to just briefly touch upon this awesome website that Michael Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, created. And this shows a comparison of Bitcoin to every other asset or stock in existence. And it color codes it. And you can see that it's color coding based on the last 12-month performance. So any red underline you see here means that that other asset performed 66% worse than Bitcoin. If it's orange colored, you know that it performed between 66 and 33% worse than Bitcoin. If it's yellow, it performed between 33% and 0% worse than Bitcoin. And if it's green, which I don't think there is one, that means it performed better than Bitcoin. And as you can see here, it's a sea of red. Here's a yellow one. Oh, Tesla, we got Tesla. Tesla did perform better than Bitcoin, 79% better over the past 12 months. Let's see if there's any others. There's a whole bunch of assets, as you can see here. Let's see how many we got. 500. It's showing the top 500. Basically, they're all red. There's a couple yellow and one green, which is Tesla. So if we take a look at Apple, here's how you read this chart. Apple is 59% down compared with Bitcoin over the past 12 months. It's 36% down compared with Bitcoin over the last 1 month. It's 62% down compared with Bitcoin over the last 3 months. And it's 93% down compared to Bitcoin over the last 5 years. And I've seen Michael Saylor share these little infographic images, and it makes it real simple. If you want to put this in Twitter, you just click on this, copies it to clipboard, and you can paste it in Twitter. So you can go find gold, which is right here, copy and paste this, and don't be ashamed to share that with Peter Schiff. I'm sure he would love to see this comparison. After all the attention that he loves to give to Bitcoin, we can just kind of put this basically in every tweet that he ever makes about Bitcoin, bashing it. And lastly, here's a really cool site. This is hookspoint.com, and I'll put the link in the description below. Basically, this compares the current bull run starting from the point of the Bitcoin halving and moving every month beyond that point. And it compares this bull run's performance from the halving with the 2016 bull run's performance, starting with the halving. So the blue line here is the 2016 cycle, and the orange line is our current cycle. And you can see we are dramatically outperforming, at least currently, the last bull run's performance in unit of time. We are seeing more gains per day. Right now we're on day 240 approximately, and we have seen a 273% increase in price from the halving, whereas in the 2016 Bitcoin bull run, we saw only a 95% increase at this point in time compared to its last halving. Okay guys, I hope you appreciated this video. If you did, please share it, and please give a gentle tap to that like button. I appreciate it ever so much. It really does actually help me reach a wider audience in YouTube, and that is my goal right now. So help me achieve that goal, and I'll continue to share great content with you. Thanks, and have a great day.